Not a lot of people would choose the healthy version, but today we're making saltfish fritters with no flour. And to get to that point, you'll need yourself some Irish potatoes, some chickpea, some onions, peppers, garlic, thyme, scallion, and of course you need some salted codfish, right? So first thing you want to do, you want to peel your potatoes, wash them, and then you want to put them on to cook. Put a little bit of salt. More salt you put in the cooking process, less salt you'll have to add. Wash your chickpea, drain them, smash them, and then you want to dice all your condiments, your onions, your peppers, your thyme, your scallion, all that stuff. You want to dice them up nice, fine, just enough so they're not too big, not too small, right? And if you've never had salted cod, it's like a Jamaican favorite. It's delicious. But if you're trying to lose weight, trying to slim it down a little bit, you'll probably want to try this version. And if you're not too sure, you can add maybe like a quarter cup of flour in there, right? Just to as an emulsifier. Or you can add a egg. But if you want to keep it slow on a vibe, right, don't add anything, just follow the recipe and just cook them like you would cook your pancakes, you know, just flat on a grill, a little bit of oil or in a pan. And then you want to just mix it thoroughly. After you mix it thoroughly, you want to make small little patties, and then you want to let them sit for a while. I smash them, but you don't have to smash them. You can smash them if you want, or you don't smash them. Crazy shit.